Natasha, were markets anticipating this move? It seems like we had a nice bounce for the ruble and, some other nice impacts in markets, but nothing major.
No, it wasn't huge. I think the move was quite priced in already. A lot of the Russian assets had already been trading at investment grade for quite a while. One thing that maybe investors were caught off guard by was how quickly S&P upgraded. Maybe people had been expecting something a bit later in the year, but otherwise it was quite well flagged.
What are analysts saying about what this will mean for capital flows into Russia? Do we see a major flow in at this point?
Yeah, I think one estimate was around about 2 billion, so not huge, but significant. The Russian finance minister was also saying that we should see inflows from kind of more conservative investors who can only invest in investment grade. Recuperation of some of the money that Russia lost in 2015 when it was downgraded. But as I say, people have been, they've already been trading Russia investment grade for quite a while. The investors have been quite, happy with the state of Russia's finances, the low debt levels. And so I think a lot of people maybe, they felt like the credit ratings agencies are a little bit behind the curve. It was it was bound to happen at some point.
Natasha, the finance minister, Russia's finance minister, touted the decision as proof that the economy had adapted to lower oil prices and international sanctions. Is that a fair assessment?
Yeah, absolutely, and I think that's the message we've been getting from the credit ratings agencies for quite a while, that they were really quite happy with the way that Russia has managed its finances, that they devalued the ruble, they've really reduced the debt load. There was one thing that was kind of hanging over the market, which was this threat of deeper sanctions against Russia from the US over the election scandal. But then the US put out this quite benign report last month on, they signaled that they probably wouldn't look at sanctioning Russia's sovereign debt markets, and I think that gave S&P then the go-ahead to upgrade Russia.